Pete Nye the Average Guy. Pete Nye the Average Guy. Pete, smarter than the average bear. Pete Nye the Average Guy. Pete Nye the Average Guy. Inertia's a thing. Pete Nye the Average Guy. Pete.
Pete Nye here, and I'm going to tell you all at home about the wide world of motion. So, first off, motion is relative. Although you are not seeing it, I am moving at 1,000 miles per hour.
No way.
And I know you just heard that what from my lab assistant Lucas, and he actually brings up a very good point.
What?
How are we moving? Well,
I don't know.
The Earth is rotating around at 1,000 miles an hour. So even though you don't see it, we're moving at 1,000 miles per hour. So I actually can go faster if I move myself, because the 1,000 miles an hour that the Earth is turning plus the 2 miles an hour I just walked makes 1,002 miles an hour. Speed is a measure of how fast something is going, or the rate at which distance is covered. So, as you just saw, my lab assistants, Lucas and Nick, went across at 2.5 windows per second. And although they have the same speed, they have different velocities. Now you're probably wondering what velocity is. Well, velocity is speed in a given direction. So Lucas was going 2.5 windows per second right, but Nick was going 2.5 windows per second left.
That's so cool.
So how can velocity change?
I don't know.
It can change by how fast and which direction.
That's cool.
So if I walk in this direction, my velocity is 1.5 windows per second right.
No way.
And I can change that if I go this way, 1.5 windows per second left.
That's so cool.
But what I can also do is go the same pace, the same way, but speed up. So right now, I'm going 1 window per second right.
Boop. Left.
But if I go the same direction at 2 windows per second, I change my velocity because I'm going faster. Acceleration is the rate at which something is changing. For instance, if this soccer ball is standing still, that means the journey Lucas at 3 windows per second, it went from 0 windows per second to 3 windows per second, a rate of change known as acceleration. But deceleration is the rate at which acceleration
Velocity.
decreases. So if Lucas passes the ball to me and I slow it down, it decelerates because Lucas passed it to me at 4 windows per second, but I stopped it and started rolling it at 2 windows per second. So as you just saw, Ryan here walked across here at an average speed of 1 window per second. But his top speed was 3 windows per second. How is that possible?
I don't know.
Well, there's 2 different types of speed.
Really?
Average speed and instantaneous speed.
Cool.
Instantaneous speed is speed at any instant. But average speed is the speed that he goes at over the total time. So, if he covers 5 windows in 5 seconds, then his average speed was 1 window per second. And you can find his average speed by taking the total distance covered and dividing that by the amount of time it took to cover that distance. So Ryan went 5 windows, and it took him 5 seconds. So 5 divided by 5 is 1 window per second.
Hi, I'm Pete Nye, and now I'm going to talk to you about vector quantity. A vector quantity is a quantity that has
magnitude and direction, and is represented by a line. A scalar quantity is a quantity that only has magnitude. Pete Nye is sponsored by Some State, Cookie Monster, and Wizard Company, where 15 minutes can save you something.
We don't know.
And the 2 viewers kinda like you.
Please ain't friends.
Super.
1 window per second. But But that's all relative because the Earth is moving.
Whoa!
But only goes 1 meter per second. It means that
Window per
75
second.
seconds.
Shoot, I wasn't ready.
I wasn't ready.
Oh, take 3. So as you just saw, my lemons.
Lemons?
A special thanks to our cast and crew.